myself is Reddy. I did my graduation in MCA with a 65 percentage. I have attended 2 interviews which is provided by the institute, and I have attended 2 interviews. I got placed in second interview. I rejected in first interview because of lack of technical skills. After the first interview, I learned a lot and I improved my technical skills as well. And before joining the institute, I used to fear for facing any interviewer or anyone. To overcome that, the institute has provided the mock interviews. With the help of the mock interviews, I had enhanced my interview skills. I got placed in the second interview, and in the second interview there are 3 technical rounds and 1 HR discussion round. Most of the time they ask on our academic projects. Technical questions are basic questions based on core Java, like static, what is static keyword, what are factory methods, what is multi-threading, all this.